Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to use the Instagram Stories link sticker. So now let's get started. First we need to open Instagram. To start we need to create an Instagram story. As usually, upload photos or videos from your device. For example, I will use this one. Then tap the sticker tool. Scroll down and find and select the sticker which is called link. Then here you can type or paste the URL you want to link to. For example, I will paste. Tap See Preview to see a preview of the page you have linked. Then tap Done. You can customize the look of your sticker by tapping the sticker, and you can resize it and place the sticker wherever you would like to. However, you can only add one link sticker per story post. When you finished editing your story, go ahead and post it. When people watch your story, they can tap on your link and see your website, for example. It was how to use the Instagram Stories link sticker. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would love if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.